Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring moto vehicle experience. Today we bring you the 2023 Volvo EX90 interior and exterior looks. The 2023 Volvo EX90 is an exciting release for the luxury car market. With its sleek exterior design, luxurious interior, and powerful engine. Discover what makes this car so special. Exterior design. The exterior design of the 2023 Volvo EX90 is completely revamped from the original. The new design shows a more aggressive and dynamic look compared to the original, which was gentle and sleek. The exterior design is inspired by Volvo's Polestar Vision Gran Turismo concept, released in 2018. Its longer and wider body holds a more aggressive, sporty look. The front design features a new hexagonal grille design with a dual chrome effect. It has a new front bumper design with a chrome insert for a more premium look. The new headlights are also redesigned, featuring a hexagonal design with a dual chrome effect. The new design gives the 2023 Volvo EX90 a more aggressive look, while the rear design sees a new hexagonal exhaust design to give it a sportier appearance. Interior design. This car is more luxurious and attractive than the original model. The interior design is inspired by Volvo's Polestar Vision Gran Turismo concept, released in 2018. This model has an attractive and luxurious feel with its redesigned dashboard design and new infotainment systems. The dashboard design is inspired by Volvo's Polestar Vision Gran Turismo concept, released in 2018. It features a new rectangular design inspired by the original circular design. This new design makes the 2023 Volvo EX90 more appealing and stylish. The new dashboard design also makes the infotainment systems more appealing, which is an important feature for luxury cars. Engine and performance. The engine of the 2023 Volvo EX90 is completely revamped from the original. This makes the engine more powerful and efficient than the original model. The new engine is inspired by Volvo's Polestar Vision Gran Turismo concept, released in 2018. The engine is also longer and wider than the original model, making it more appealing and stylish. The new engine features a new twin-turbocharged and direct-injected engine with hybrid capability. With a 3.0L capacity, the new engine has a power output of 584 horsepower and a peak torque of 664 lb-ft. This engine is also more efficient and produces less carbon dioxide emissions than the original, making it more appealing. Safety and technology. The new safety and technology features are inspired by Volvo's Polestar Vision Gran Turismo concept, released in 2018. The 2023 Volvo EX90 has a new autonomous driving system, making it capable of driving at up to 80 km per hour. With a new driver attention system that monitors the driver's attention. Value for money? The price of the 2023 Volvo EX90 is unknown at this point, so we can only speculate. With a price tag of $57,000, you can buy this car. The 2023 Volvo EX90 is an exciting release for the luxury car market. Which car do you want us to review? Share your sentiments in the comments section. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment.